pretty hard right now. Stings the face. McDonald's is closed 24 hours, but not right now. Oh, the road is covered. Can't even tell where the sidewalk ends and the road begins. Everything's closed off. Visions, can't see that far, and the wind is gushing. Must be walking against 30-mile-an-hour winds at 40 right now. How's it up there? Good God, I gotta get home. It's crazy. Alright, I'm near the home stretch. Passing the end of Wrigley Field over there. Almost home. The street is completely covered. The wind picks up and slows down. It's like had a gust about 45 a minute. I was knocking off my feet. Can't even see ahead. It's crazy.